Well, this is my last full day at Weston HQ in Merced, and this weekend I'll be at my mom's. Hey, Mom. And by Monday morning, I will be living out of my awesome 2022 Kia Soul. The first step is putting some items down here that are still very useful or valuable, but I don't need very often. Extra propane, Oregon's names, how to say them, because I will go back to Oregon. Just an extra pair of kind of ratty shoes in case I need them. A hand pan drum, my snow tire chains, my snowshoes, an extra power station, a little portable shower. What else is under here? Oh, this is an emergency car jump starter. This guy just goes right on top. I put the seats down, bed platform in. I love this little bed platform. Huge shout out to Kimber, my best friend, for helping me out with this in a major way. There we go. And there's the complete bed.
Now we're turning on the lights. It's the first day of my second life. Take my name off of the lease. You can even keep the name. It never suited me.
This is day one of the nomad life. I left Merced a couple hours ago. I had to take a peek at the Stanislaus River. It felt very surreal leaving Weston HQ in Merced for the last time. It was weird because I did a quick little video and I heard an echo, and that kind of, it sunk in. Now, pretty much my entire life is in the car. Avi is holding all of it. So let's go have some adventure, shall we?
So open up, I'm climbing in. So take it easy.